And here you can see the Baby-Benz W201 left beside the E-Class. Both cars are of course from the same era, as you can tell by the design. I'm absolutely loving this generation of cars. And you can see some similarities about that design.
Ebenfalls erwartet wird
Starfighters, guys. These are model planes, RC models, of course. I'm thinking I can remember this one from last year. It's the Bachem in German. Beautiful. So here the T1 bus. It's also a wardrobe now, but it's by the owner, of course.
Auf der Nordseite der Halle ein Oldtimer-Sattelpark gibt. Jeder, der...
So, and here's some images of the trailer here. This is an, I think it's an EL2 Ilyushin 2, maybe, Stormovic. This guys, that's what I was thinking is a Bachem, but it's not. This is a Messerschmitt 163, like the red one. This here is, as far as I can remember, a Dornier, but I don't remember the type. Also looking very cool. Not sure if this is also a model, an RC model. But guys, take a look at this, and here you can also see very nice old wheels of the Volkswagen Bus or Kombi T2. But this guys here is the bus, or actually it's also looking kind of like the camper version of a wonderful T1C. It already has the taillights that also the T2A had, and it has the more flat indicator glasses at the front. So this is the T2C, so the third variation, Series 3, if you want to say so. Also really a beautiful bully. Lanz Bulldog, guys. Check it out.
D95A, jetzt im Queranflug. Die Liedfelder sind leichter Restring, ein relativ billiger. Das Besondere am Flugplatz Wächtersberg die Steigungen am Ende der Landebahn, am Memphis Road, muss ich daher
Yeah, people, so weather is today fortunately not the best, and they are just right now starting to fly again because it was starting to rain and the airfield is on grass. So guys, this is probably the last thing that I'm recording. They were also playing lots of music, so I wasn't able to talk a lot and I had to replace the audio. But guys, this here is an Triumph Spitfire. So guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, I also have to say that I'm loving these Opel Ascona cars here. It's also really a cool car, Opel Ascona. It's the Ascona C. It was also built by Vauxhall. I'm thinking it was called the Cavalier. Great car, guys. So, well, oh, there's something else coming. Just take a look there. So, most probably this has not been the last stuff that I'm filming, so stay tuned, guys. There's more coming. And here, guys, my international friends from all around the globe. This guy is a W115. So this means this stroke 8 has only 4 cylinders. It's most probably one that is made in the late 60s because of the two-tone painting. It's a W115 because this 220, the 220 has 4 cylinders, while the W114 has 6 cylinders. Oh well, and I forgot there is one diesel. I'm thinking it's the 250. It has 5 cylinders. The 5 cylinders also, of course, a W115 because 114 is only limited to the 6 cylinders. A wonderful Opel Kadett C, probably from 1979. Oh, by the way, guys, the Mercedes-Benz is actually from 1973, and it was a little bit modified, of course. Here, this is a Volkswagen Golf CL, and I'm already hearing music again, so most probably I will have to mute this part again. The rally wheels. Oops. Here, guys, is a ducky Citroën 2 CV.
So, Jürgen, lief alles gut? Prima.
Charleston in the two-tone paint. Yeah, 2 CV6 Charleston. Let's see here, guys. And here, guys, Volkswagen Golf Mk1. Das ist hier. Moto Guzzi. Sei kein Fuzzi. Fahr Moto Guzzi. Ich könnte die Werbebranche einsteigen. Sei kein Fuzzi, fahr Moto Guzzi. Opel Kadett C Saloon. And here, guys, I almost forgot, the Coupe GTE is of course also here. Beautiful example, totally loving this two color paint of the GTE. That's of course the pre-facelift tone of the GTE. So the pre-facelift had it like this, and the facelift had it top in white and the bottom in yellow. This, by the way, is the facelift.